The shopping mall, an American icon rarely acknowledged for its landmark status. It's easy to forget that less than 60 years ago, shopping was a drastically different experience.
It's a happy-go-spending world, reflected in the windows of the suburban shopping centers where they go to buy.
With the suburban boom of the 1950s, consumers were looking to avoid trips downtown to individual stores where parking was becoming difficult. So Austrian-born architect Victor Grune designed a building to solve those problems. He set his first design here in Edina, Minnesota, a suburb of Minneapolis, and called it Southdale. Today, Southdale may look like many other malls in America, but it is the first indoor mall ever built, and that makes it significant. I mean, what were people used to at that time? Why was this such, just a brilliant idea on his part?
Well, Victor Grune felt that the shopping centers at the time, which he called extroverted, were typically a parking lot and stores facing the parking lot with big garish signs. And he thought that they were ugly and they weren't a very good shopping experience. So he envisioned the mall as what he called the introvert type. And so basically he took the stores that used to face out to the parking lot and faced them into an enclosed mall. And part of his idea was to control the signage and the aesthetics so that it was all a modern minimalist aesthetic. His hope was to get people out of their cars and interacting in a pedestrian environment more akin to what he experienced in Vienna. So he wanted to actually create a bit of urbanity in the suburbs in the mall.
Grune